Hello friends, despite the fact that I didn't make it, this is my favorite pendulum with dolphins. I bought it a long time ago, but I like it. This is not a perpetual motion machine. It has batteries and probably has a coil or an electromagnet or place for batteries. And I think this is amazing device. I'll put the batteries now. Just a second. I want to put in this place. Oh, 1, 2. Oh, 3 and 4. And this is not perpetual motion machine. Just a second. And something like that. This is amazing device. This is dolphins, and in this place is it is a magnet, and I put them. Just a second. This is my favorite pendulum. So and something like that. Oh, it's working. I can't predict the movement of dolphins. What is their period? I think it is hard to predict. What do you think about it? Write your answer in the comments. And this is I have a little noise for this pendulum. So this is amazing device, and what do you think about this device? Write in the comments. Oscillation is not occur, and I want to help them. Probably in this place is or Hall sensors, or a small coil, or a small electromagnet, and something like that. I want to repeat, this is not perpetual motion machine. This is simple pendulum, which feedback probably, which Hall sensor. I don't know. What do you think about the device? Write your answer in the comments, and please to visit. I'm glad to invite you to visit my store and reach my notes or t-shirts that you see below this video. That's all for now. Bye bye everyone. Sincerely, Yuri Kovalenok.